No, who is that? Beckett, who is that? Me. Beckett? Is that Beckett? Say hi, Beckett. Is he cute? Say hi. Who's in there with Beckett? That's Mommy. Yeah. Do you want to read your book? Can you read your book? Read your book to Mommy, please.
Day.
Day. Is that your favorite part of the song? Can you sing the rest of the song? Okay. Say bye-bye to baby Beckett on the TV. Say bye-bye. Mwah.
Mm-hmm.